Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check pattern, which is like a test page for a Canon Pixma MP990. Now this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the screens and the buttons you can see here. Now, if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, just press the home button there and you should be taken to this menu. Now, to navigate we can use either the arrows on the top here, or we can use the fancy schmancy wheel, turn it around until settings, shown with pliers and a screwdriver there. And with that selected, we press OK. And in the settings menu, we want to go into maintenance, so press OK again. And nozzle check pattern is the very first option, so we press OK again. Predictably, press OK a fourth time, and off we go. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And after a while, you'll be given a printer test page that looks something like this. Now these breakdowns of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow show both your printer's ability to produce those colours and also how it prints them in fine detail, like with the little hatchings on the black there. Now on screen, it's asking what your print looks like. This is quite an old machine and has some print quality issues, so I've got a lot of missing colours and lines on my sheet, which is why I'm not showing it to you. So if all looks good on yours, just select A, but if you go down into B and press OK, then it gives you the option to do cleaning, which pushes fresh ink into the printer's printhead and hopefully dislodges any dried or congealed ink there that could be affecting your print quality. So if you've got lines across your prints or missing colours, something like that, I'd recommend going straight through that cleaning, which I'll do now. But hopefully your print's looking better than mine and you can carry on printing with confidence. But that's all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.